Hi and welcome back to Inspired by Nature. I thought I'd read this beautiful story to you today, and it's all about the precious gifts our natural world has to offer. It's called I Give You the World by Stacey McCleary. When you were born, so precious and new, I searched high and low for a gift just for you. I searched through the day and I searched through the night, till I came across this one. I think it's just right. I give you the world and everything in it. Come, let me show you. It won't take a minute. I give to you the dawn's sweet dew, the morning light just peeking through. I give to you the spring's soft breeze that whispers to the tiny seeds. I give to you the croaking frogs, the muddy pigs, the sleeping dogs. I give to you the buzzing bees, the baby birds in nests and trees. The dolphins dancing just for you, the whales that sing through the ocean's blue. I give you the sun's warm glow, the summer rain, the rainbow, the clouds through which great mountains rise, the eagles soaring through the skies. I give to you the falling leaves floating down upon the breeze, the animals both young and old preparing for the winter cold. I give you the timid doe stepping through fresh fallen snow. I give to you the day that's done, the fading light, the sinking sun. The hooting owl, the pale moonlight, the stars that sparkle through the night. My gift is each and everything, each autumn day and each new spring. The winter's chill, the summer's laughter, every season ever after. The wonder, the beauty, the magic unfurled, all this is for you. I give you the world. I hope you enjoyed that story today and you can think about some of the gifts the natural world has on offer for you.